guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T, which is pretty healthy and terrific in real time. This is P.J, your fitness concierge and your guru of all things fitness. We love him here. So we want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click that little like and the bell notification so they don't miss a video. Don't miss a video. There's a lot of them coming out. I'm reinventing right now all your holiday desserts and meals. Somebody's gonna, somebody keeps challenging me on his pumpkin pie thing, but I'm gonna do my best for him to be like, oh, this is good. I'm like, yeah, see, it's not no sugar, no dairy, no
taste.
I'm gonna do it. But anyway, thank you guys. PJ, what's today?
I'm thinking about a pumpkin pie made with eggnog and just.
That's a good one. That sounds good.
Oh, and vanilla, some Madagascar vanilla off the beans. Just drizzled in there. Oh, the workout today.
Yes.
So the temperature has gone down a little bit, but it's still nice out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep the body moving. We're gonna do a lot of core work tonight. We're gonna work with metabolic burners. 1 minute of intense work ethic to cardio to get that heart rate up through the roof, and then we're gonna break it down again. We're gonna do some arm work, some more core work, and then some metabolic burners, and we're gonna just keep moving.
Keep it moving. Yeah, it's a little chilly. It got chillier. It was it's 56. It was 60 something today, which was nice. But we're gonna go ahead and get started, and when we come back, we'll let you know how it all went.
That's it.
We'll be back.
See ya.
like pretty close too.
That's it.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. I mean, we didn't have much breaks. We had to just go and kind of like go into the next thing, go into the next thing, go into the next thing. But like PJ said, you know what? Our body is what'd you say it was?
It's a weight.
It's a weight, right? It's our body weight that you use.
That's right.
Yeah, and hey, I got about 80 pounds to lose, so it's a lot of body weight. You know, I've been working out too and lifting weights and stuff. I'm trying to keep faithful to PJ and you know, work out every day as much as I can, even if it's just walking. But I am working out. I am lifting weights even on the days that I am not here. So I'm trying to be faithful to you because I'm like, it's pointless for you to do all of this and me just act a fool every other, you know, every day. So this is, you know, I want you to also, as a trainer, see results, because I think that's what trainers want, right?
Well, I do. It's interesting when you were doing your abdominals and you're doing your modified burpees and you're doing your alternating V-ups, your range of motion. I remember when you, sister girl, you couldn't even do half. Like,
it's so true.
And now, and that's what it is. Everybody's hip mobility, everybody's flexibility is different. Everybody has some aches and pains, and you work around that. And I can clearly see you and a whole host of them. Michelle would talk about. Michelle, we got to get you. But I do see a marked and measured improvement, which is good.
I actually do too. I'm modifying because I do have inflammation in my hips and knees, so some of the motions were a little tough for me. But I do feel the strength. I do feel it. I feel it even when I'm lifting weights, because Ernest, my son, is like this guy. He does not let me let up. If I'm doing too many reps, he goes, that means it's too light. He packs on more weight. I'm like, no, it doesn't. He goes, yes, it does.
You could lift it all day long until the cows come home for what?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Although I'm sitting there like, oh, this is heavy. No, it's not.
No,
it's not. And he packs on more weight. I'm like, but I was this called bench press?
Yeah.
Okay, I was bench pressing 95 pounds, which was, for me, was a lot, right?
That's
because
good.
I was doing 45 and then he just packed on some 25s on there and I'm like, what is he doing to me?
That's it.
I said,
you can only get a few, right?
I got 10 in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
But the funny thing is I asked him if this was like punishment for all the spankings I gave him. He said, absolutely.
That's right.
So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please share, because we are trying to grow this healthy community, and I'm gonna do like some other things that I've been thinking about. I'm strategically trying to grow this channel, so I'm gonna figure out how that is. But we have to grow this channel because people need to get healthy, and if it means you sitting at home watching us and then doing it, just get healthy. I don't care how you do it. Our boot camp is going to start growing. I know that it is. Me and P.H.A.T are having strategic, you know, kind of brainstorming on how we're going to grow this community. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure that you email me at hello@memoirsofafatgirl.live. I'll make sure to get back to you. I'll make sure to put PJ's information below so that you can contact him as well for any kind of like fitness things. He would help you with that, especially like personal training, coaching, like all kinds of stuff. And you coach people,
eating.
Everything. And you coach people for like if they want to play a sport too, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So it's not just teams; it's individuals.
Individuals.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, and you have other boot camps and stuff happening too, right?
Absolutely. And guys, you know what? Just because it's cold, they make cold weather gear. I do boot camps. We do them in people's garages. You'd be surprised how inventive you can be when you want to get your workout in and get it done.
That's the whole point, though, is wanting to do it. You have to want to do it. You have to get off your tail and do something about it. We're out here. It is chilly, but it's not to die. You know, you're not dying. It's just chilly. So you come out here, you work out, and you get it done. All right. So make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel. I am Nina, your host here at Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, my fitness concierge, and yours too if you give him a call. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
Fat out.